Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating the QR code as vector SVG or a high-resolution PNG file. Export at 300 dpi and set the final printed size, for example 5 inches square. Use error correction set to 30% so the code tolerates damage or partial obstruction. Maintain a quiet zone equal to 4 modules around the code to ensure readability. Embed the final content, like a short URL or Form 1099 link, before exporting to avoid last-minute changes. Choose print settings that preserve contrast and sharpness for scan reliability. Convert artwork to CMYK and generate a press proof printed at 100% size for verification. Add a 125-inch bleed to trimmed files and keep the QR code at least 25 inches from trim edges or folds. Select paper like matte 100-pound cover to avoid glare or apply laminate for outdoor durability. Confirm the printer can reproduce fine modules cleanly before full production. Always print a physical proof and test with multiple smartphone cameras and scanner apps. Scan from close range and from distances up to 10 times the code width to ensure reliable detection. Verify high contrast by using a dark code on a light background and avoid patterns or gradients inside the code area. Check the quiet zone, module sharpness, and edge fidelity on the proof before approving the run. Install printed pieces away from creases, glare, and obstructions for dependable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.